Hello and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. In this lesson we will talk about the putty software, and this is the software that we will use to access shell, and it's very necessary if you are working with Windows that you download this software so that you can access shell. You will open this link over here, www.putty.org, and in the first one here you will press on this button here. From here you will scroll down and choose this one over here, right click on it and then press on save link as. It will save it on the desktop, and here's the file's name, putty.exe. You will press on save. Now you will open the putty software, and from here press on run. And to access shell, from here you will type the number of the static IP 192.168.1.50, and this is the number that we have set as a static IP in the previous lesson, and of course this is the default port number. And from here you will press on open. This message may appear for you. If it appears, just press on yes, and from here you will type the user root, then wait for the password field to appear for you, and then you will type the password and enter. And as you can see, now you have logged in successfully in the shell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.